Hey, hello buddies, welcome back to our channel. So this video is about returning old clay into a playable one. So let's apply oil to the countertop first. You can take any kind of oil. I'm using cooking oil over here. And apply oil to your hands too. So this is the clay. This is 1 month old. I have stored in the refrigerator and literally forgot that I had a clay in the fridge. So it's hard enough. So first I'm taking baby lotion. You can also take any kind of lotion, that's not a big problem. Apply the lotion on your hands and over the surface of clay too. So in this way, you need to apply the lotion to all the lumps of the clay. And then bring them all together and start kneading. Now I'm going to add cooking oil to this. The only two ingredients that we are going to use here are baby lotion or any kind of lotion and cooking oil. That's it. That is all you need to retain the pliability in the homemade clay. So here I am showing you how to knead the clay in slow motion so that you can understand. First you need to press and then fold, again press and again roll or fold, press, roll, press. This is the process to get a good playable clay. If the clay is dry, add a little amount of lotion, or if the clay is too sticky, like if it sticks to your hand or the countertop, you can add a little amount of oil. That doesn't matter, you don't have a particular amount to add. It's all about the clay and its playability, that's it. You might think that this kneading process is really difficult, but you know what, I really enjoyed kneading this clay. So the clay is now super soft. This is not like the clay which is 1 month old. This is really like the fresh one. So you can give a try at home and please leave your comments below because your comments really motivate me to do more and more videos. Once you finish kneading the clay, Apply oil to the surface of the clay, keep in airlock container and store in refrigerator. That's it. Thank you.